Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. Do like the channel, do subscribe the channel, and click on the bell icon. And I have started in my Insta some powerful and simple full moon tips as slides. So if you are still not in that, you can connect with the team and they will give you the link. And I want to share with you all that I started the Telegram group for WICCA with Pinky Punjabi, and I have been having an amazing response, and people are even enjoying the tips. So thank you all, the way you all are encouraging me. So let's start with reading. This is a new set of cards, as because my birthday month is coming December, so I have been started getting gifts of cards. So I thought, why not do the reading with this cards today? Now that's a beautiful card, the Six of Swords. Let's pick another one card also, and then we should go for the reading. Okay, so the combination of the Six of Swords and the Knight of Cups both look amazing. I just love the images of these cards. If you see the Six of Swords, can you see here? It's a boat basically, and if you see that, I feel that the person is very calm and is just exploring what to do. So I feel, if this is calm, be cautious with what you have been trying to finalize. If there's a deal or if there's a project which you're trying to finalize, then just deal with it calmly, sit back and think tactfully, and then decide. If you feel yes, this is what you wanted to do and this is the right deal for you, once your heart and your mind says yes, then go ahead with the deal, or else wait for it before you decide. Then coming to our next card, which is the Knight of Cups. Now if you see the Knight of Cups, it is a more like, you are focusing, and maybe the first and the second card are interrelated, because the second card is saying don't get into it emotionally. Whatever you're deciding today, don't see on an emotional level, go on a neutral level, because understand one thing, that if you work on it on a neutral level, then the success is yours. I just want to pull another card to see what is the net result coming. Okay, the net result is I don't see reversal cards, so maybe if you think tactfully, then things will go well. If you don't think tactfully, then there are chances that you will end up thinking that why did you take this decision. So today I would suggest, in the morning, chant the Ganpati mantra, Om Gam Ganapate Namaha, so that if there's any obstacles which is stopping you from analyzing it, then that will change. And I would also suggest, if you can wear the color white today for clarity, and also in the morning have bath with rock salt water, and then start your day. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.